Hello everyone, it's been a minute. I just wanted to pop in and show you my hair after 5 months with these lock extensions. These are the textured variety Mukisa Locs. They are done with interlocking. I don't know if you can tell, but it has a little bit of a pattern to it. These are crinkled because I did a braid out. I have a mohawk, so I was only able to fit about 64 locks in size small, which is 0.5 to 0.6 centimeters. These are 16 inches long, so this is where it falls on me. I'm 5'8". This is where it falls on me. And I maintain a mohawk, so I didn't need as many locks. And I wear a braid out most of the time, or a ponytail. Ponytail is my favorite because it's out of my face. I interlock my hair realistically, probably like every 2 to 3 months. I'm not as strict with my own hair just because I'm okay with it being grown out. But this is the look after taking down the braids. I did sleep on it. I don't do half the things I tell you guys to do, but I'm just being honest. I did sleep on my hair after washing it last night, and I sat under the dryer here at the salon for an hour. So that's why it's like extra crisp. After 5 months, I haven't really noticed any changes with the extensions. They just fade a little bit more. So the texture kind of like fades a little bit, but it still looks more textured or natural than the standard. They both have characteristics that make it look realistic, but the textured one they're closer to the look of someone that has interlocking for micro locks or for traditional size locks. So I just want to show you a few things about my hair. As you can see, there's like little puffy spots. And that's because, one, I did my own install and I did it the lazy way. Well, I call it the lazy way. I just attached as if it's going to be a temporary install. So I only did interlocking to attach. As time has gone on, because my hair was very short when I installed the locks, in most places it was less than 2 inches. I had to do crochet, which is the second part of how we attach. So we interlock to attach, and then we crochet to stabilize the lock and keep it from getting puffy at the attachment site. So occasionally I will crochet if something looks like it might slip, or it's a little soft, or it gets too puffy, but I'm lazy, so I didn't do it to most of them. But they have held on. In total, I have lost one lock that slipped out, and that was after like 3 months of vigorous washing and conditioning. And it was at the point that was the shortest. Like I had some parts that were literally like this short when I attached, which I do not recommend. I always tell clients to come for the install service when the hair is at least 4 inches long, because then they can have a secure attachment, especially if you're coming from out of the state or out of the country. You don't want to have to worry about locks falling out, which I would never want a client to experience that. But I'm me, so I installed it on short hair. So anyway, this is my hair after 5 months and 3 days, texture variety, 16 inches. And like I was showing you, I have a few spots that are puffy, or where my little kinks and coils are poking out because I didn't do crochet on those. But this is the extension. This is the attachment site with just interlocking. And then this part is my hair interlocked, if you can see that. So that's what it's looking like. I'm completely fine with the puffiness because, again, I'm too lazy to go through it. And I also don't keep anything very long. So I'm trying to keep this in because this is probably my favorite set of lock extensions that I've done to date. And I've done many sets just because I like the versatility of having locks and having short hair. So I feel like this particular style that I have with the mohawk gives me the best of both worlds. So I haven't been tempted to cut my hair off. But in case I do want to go back to short hair, I can easily take them out because it's just interlocked. It's not crocheted fully. Like I said, I did some for repairs, but most of it is just interlocked. But this is what it looks like. And I'm loving it so far. So if you want to know what the interlocked extensions look like over time, this is what they look like. And if you're interested in placing an order or booking maintenance or starting locks, you can visit us at mukisalocs.com. We'll see you later. Bye.